In case your PF2 ever breaks, like continuously spins, and you're wondering how the hell do you get into it, I can tell you, there's no clips on the side. It does seem that there is a screw that you can access just down there. There's also another one on the left hand side, but I can't seem to find it yet. There's nothing under there. You see the struts that go up there, nothing there, so there's nothing under the 3D panel. Oh well, it was junk anyway, since I couldn't get in to repair it, and it just spins and spins and spins, which tells me it's that small switch in there which isn't making contact. There we go, we can see that there was a screw there and a screw there. I've cut it off, it wasn't worth keeping. I could actually access the screw for the negative terminal on the battery just by getting it in there. The other thing is this unit here seems to actually move. So that might be an option to try and figure out how to get that one out. But anyway, this is junk for now. Thanks, Fluval.